Dear children, today we are going to learn how to say the day and date and important events in every month from our daily sheet calendar in our home. Okay. In your, that is a primary grade level, in your standard, that is first standard and second standard, no need to worry about the weekly days and holidays, because your parents only inform that only the today is a working day and like that. From your third grade level and third and fourth, from your age level more than 8 and 9, this is important knowledge to know about today is a what day and today is what date. Okay, how many days in the present month. Okay, and there are you already known in your first and second grade level, that is the names of month. Okay, only that is January to December. Okay, like that way. By explaining this daily calendar sheet, okay, we are going to learn today and the days and date and how many days in each month. It varies from month to month. Okay, all months doesn't have same days. Okay, so that's the concept and terms and important events to know about this month. That's a holiday and working day and some of the important event, that is a national festivals and religious festivals also we are going to learn to by knowing the date and day by seeing this calendar sheet. Okay, let me learn. Okay, this topic only comes under our, that is time chapter. Only this is also related to the time concept, children. Okay, so our today's topic also time under the subtopic, that is calendar. Okay, today we are going to learn calendar. Okay, that is our topic is time and the subtopic is calendar. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, that means 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay, the names of months you already known in your previous grade level, that is in your first standard and second standard grade level, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, there are 12 months. Okay, in calendar, okay, and that is every month has, that is 31 days or 30 days except the February month. Okay, that's a February month, that is a 28 days. Okay, and 29 days in a, that's a leap year. Okay, so total days, okay, the number of days in a total year, that is 1 year has 365 days. In a leap year, February has only 29 days. So the total number of days in a leap year, that has 366 days. Okay, along all these data are related with the days in 1 year. Okay, that means 1 year has 12 months and 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay, and 1 year which has 366 days, if it is a leap year. Okay, now we are going to how to know about this, how to read the date and days in this daily sheet calendar. Okay, here it shows the month of, that is March. Okay, I am going to write for your reference, I am going to write in English, okay, for your easy reference. That is, this is one is March. Okay, this month shows, that is March, and the days I am going to write Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, that is Wednesday, that is Thursday, and that is Friday, and that is Saturday. Okay, and the month is March. Okay, it has, that is 31 days. Total number of days in March, it is from 1 to 31. Okay, we have already discussed these how many days in each month by explaining our, that is fingers, hands and fingers. Okay, in your fist, that is a knuckle, it has a 31 days by saying the month from Jan to December. We have already discussed in your previous standard in your second grade level. Okay, do you know the days of each month by knowing your fist, holding your fist? I recap this. Okay, for this is a knuckle. Knuckle means the topper portion, and the dip portion means that's a dwelling portion. Okay, the knuckle shape, it shows 31 days, and the dip shows 30 days except February month. Okay, so that is January, February, March. March means it has 31 days. Okay, and we are going to learn the somewhat, I am going to ask questions by related with this daily sheet of calendar, and you are going to write down the answer. Okay, this is a concept of year. This year it shows the month and days and day and the year also. Now this present year is 2020. This is a year. Okay, and here these shows the day. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, that means 7 days. 1 week has 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. That is 7 days. Here these are the 7 days, children. Namely, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now we are going to discuss about this daily sheet. Okay, do you understand these? You have to write down these terms. Already you know in your have known the terms in your previous standard level. Okay, now I am going to ask questions and we are going to discuss the answer for that. Okay, here I am going to write first how many days. Okay, how many days does this month have? Okay, and name, what is the name of this month? What is the name of this month? Okay, and here how many, okay, Sundays, how many Sundays are there in this month? Okay, and fourth one, in which day that is March 1. Okay, in which day March 1 falls on? Okay, an important festival of this month. Okay, now we are going to discuss, that is how many days does this month have. So you have to count, observe here, that is 1 to 31. So the total days of this month, answer is 31 days. And what is the name of this month? Here you have to observe the name of this month. Isn't it a March or anything? From Jan to February, you are going to know about from this name of this month by seeing this daily sheet. That name, those names are printed here before the year. Okay, this is the name of the month. Here the month is March. Okay, and how many Sundays are there in this month? Here these are the Sundays. Okay, should be denoted as a red colored dates. Okay, here that the dates are colored as red color. Okay, all these Sundays shows red color, printed as red. Okay, that is first Sunday, second Sunday, third Sunday, fourth Sunday, and last one is the fifth Sunday. So there are totally, that is 5 Sundays in this month. Okay, so the answer is 5. Okay, and in which day March 1 falls on? Okay, March 1. Okay, which day means the day. Okay, that is a Sunday. You have to write the day. Okay, day of the week. So here March 1, that means March, this is 1. That is the day is Sunday. So write the answer Sunday. Okay, an important festival of this month, because the red color date is important, as whether it is a government holiday or it shows religious festival or that is a national festivals. Okay, here that is March, that is 21st is a new year of Telugu, that is Ugadi. Okay, so you have to find out by the color date. Okay, and also it explanation about this square box in each month sheet. Okay, it shows the government holiday, whether it is a religious festival or national festivals. Okay, here this is a new year of Telugu, that is called Ugadi. It's a religious festival of Telugu people. Okay, that's a Telugu. Ugadi is a new year day of those people. So it falls on, that is March, okay, 25th, and which day means, here observe the day, that is Wednesday. Okay, so you have to write down this March 25th. Okay, that is here March 25th. Okay, that is Ugadi, and the day is, it shows here, observe the date here, that is a Wednesday. So write down this answer, that is Wednesday. Okay, and few more questions about this sheet, that is how many total Sundays, that is we have already counted, that is 5, and how many Saturdays are here. So count down the Saturdays here, that is weekend Saturday. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 Saturdays in this month. Okay, and the first date March 1, it falls on Sunday, and the end of the day, that is a March 31st, falls on which day means, that is March 31st, refer the calendar by, that is Tuesday. Okay, so you have to say the answer, the last day of the month is Tuesday. Okay, and how many Saturdays means 4 Saturdays, how many Sundays means 5 Sundays, and important festivals by saying this reference by to show here, that is this content, it denotes the festivals and important events that should be occurred that month, that specific month, and total days, that is 31 by knowing your that is fist counting. Okay, 30 and 31. Okay children, so this is a concept how to read and how to see the daily sheet calendar and to count down the how many days and important event. So we have seen by using this calendar sheet. I hope you should understand this. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is how to calculate the leap year and the 24 hours. Let me see in the next video. Okay.